nodes, first, second and third, right? Or go to the geometry and choose discrete collinear beams. This command is activate when you have already selected your nodes. If you don't select the nodes, this command is disabled. Right, Vibhuti? First process is to select the nodes and go to the geometry and click on the create collinear beams. So two beams is created between three nodes, first and second.
Yes.
Any other doubt? So your query is resolved. Right? So we are moving to the next command. So yesterday I completed the merge the selected nodes, right? And today's command is renumber. What is the renumber? Renumber means when you press shift plus n, the node number is displayed, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. But see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8, 9. But you deleted some and created the new ones, right? But the sequence is changed, right or wrong? Here the end up is on the 36. Here 37, 38, 39, 40, 43, 41, 42 and 44. So the nodes are in the same sequence, right? There is no node is missing. But you go to the beam members, right? In the beam, you can clearly see all the beams here. This is your 50 beam, right? This is your 56. But where you can find where is the 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 51 is missing, 52 is here, 53 is here, 54 is missing, right?
Right.
55 is missing, and 56 here, and 57 here. Next, 58 is missing.
No, 58 is there.
58 where?
58 is there. Yes.
Yes. And 59 is also missing.
59 also there. Yeah.
Where? Is a missing one, right? You are talking about the missing ones. Okay. Now 60, 61 and 62 and 63 is there, right?
Yes.
So the sequence is disturbed. Yes or no?
Yes.
So for this we have the renumber command. So you can go to the renumber and you choose what members. Renumber what members. Go to the geometry, choose renumber and go to the members because members number is disturbed, right?
Yes.
So this is the message. This is an irreversible operation. Once you done your renumber, then this cannot be reversed by the control Z. Okay?
Okay.
Press. Okay. The second message, please select the relevant entities for renumbering the operation. Okay. So you just select all the steps like this by control plus A. Yes.
Yes.
And go to the geometry and renumber and member. So choose here the members and shift to the right side like this. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is your starting number. from where you want to start your notation, denotation, annotation, sorry, right?
Yes.
The numbering is starting from the 1, or you can specify any other starting number.
Let it be 1, sir.
Okay. So you cannot start with 0.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So here we have two options, ascending one and descending. So this is the ascending. If you choosing the 1, so you have to choose the ascending order.
Yeah.
But if you choose here some 100 starting point as 100, right? So you
Yeah.
can choose as the ascending as well as descending.
Descending.
So now we have to choose the ascending because my starting point is 1. That's why. And click on the accept. See, my 59 beams renumbered.
Okay.
We have 59 total beam numbers. See, now each and every beam number is present here. Any beam is not missing. Any number is not missing from there. Right? While completing your geometry, you have to delete some members, you add some members. So while deleting or adding members, so the sequence is disturbed. So after completing your geometry, you can renumber that geometry to specify the numbers. Yes, because when you give the detail of any member, concrete reinforcement detail, so you have to specify the beam numbers as well, right or wrong?
Yes.
Right.
That's why we have a sequential numbers, right? So you understand this renumber members and renumber nodes. So similarly, you can renumber the nodes also. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now moving the next command, split beam. Okay.
Okay.
Click on the split beam and click on the beam. Right. So
Okay.
insert node into the beam number 50. This window is familiar to you?
Yeah. Yesterday,
Yes. Which command?
split beam.
No. Mm, Split
Insert
beam.
node.
Yes. Very good, Mazulan. This is the insert node window.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the similar option from the both the command. Whether you can use your split insert node or you can go to the split beam.
Split beam.
Yes. Okay. Now the next command is. Can I repeat this or we can leave it? Split beam.
Repeat, sir.
Repeat.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So activate this split beam command and select this member. This is your member, right?
Yeah.
So first option is add new point. For add new point, you have to specify the distance, right?
Yeah.
This distance measured from which point?
One.
This
Yeah.
member is
Member.
created between the two nodes. Beam
Yeah.
node number 1 and
Node one.
node number 25.
25.
So you know which node number is 1 and which node number is 25.
Starting is 1 and last one is 25.
Yes. So if you specify the distance here as 3 meters.
Yeah.
So if I click here, this 3 meter distance I'm measuring from the node number 1.
And
and click here. So this is node number 44 is created.
Okay.
44 is missing. Okay, node number 44 is created and click on OK. So
Okay.
this is your node number 44.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
See, this is your node number 44 because the last node number is 43.
43.
Okay. Now again, go to the split beam. Click here. The second option is
Add midpoint.
Midpoint.
add midpoint. Means if you have a member, so the node is automatically inserted at the midpoint.
Midpoint.
So you can directly click here. Node number 45 is inserted. See, this is your node number 45, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The last option is to the end point.
Endpoint.
You if you want to divide your member in multiple segments, so you can give the node numbers. How many nodes you want to insert it here?
2.
So the 2 is the default number, right? Minimum is 2.
Okay.
So you
3.
can 3, 4 as you want. So you can add 3 and click on the particular option, add endpoints. You can't click on add new point after giving the node numbers, right? And you
Okay.
cannot click on the midpoint. You have to click on the add endpoints, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in this we have created 3 nodes, 46, 47 and 48.
Okay.
Click on OK. See, the 3 numbers is inserted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am doing the control Z. So this is the again a single beam. Okay. The next command is break at selected nodes. Right? So you have a member which is passing through a certain nodes or a particular node. So you have to select your node. See, this member is passing the node number 7, 13, 19, right?
Yes.
So if you want to break this beam on the node number 7, yes or no? So you
Yes.
have to select the node number. Which one? 7. Or you have to maybe select the node number 13 and 19 as well. If you want to break that node only. Okay. So I am breaking this member on the node number 7 only. So first you select the node number 7 and go to the geometry and select what? Break at selected node. Right? The one beam is created. So this beam is created and this is your remaining one. Right or wrong?
Simon.
Ganesh? Ganesh?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
हाँ
ठीक है।
बोलो बोलिए बोलिए टेल मी you understand this command or can I repeat once more? Can I repeat once more?
Repeat, sir.
Okay. So now this is the beam which is passing through the node number 13 and node number 19. right? So you can go to the node cursor and select this particular nodes
Okay.
and go to the geometry and click on the beam at selected node. Break beam at selected node,
Yeah.
or you can insert it. So two beams are created.
Okay.
So this beam is split it on the between the nodes,
Okay.
right? So I think I made this clear, all of you, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see, we have studied about this. Now we have the move option, right? We left this move option. So now you have to move your beam.
Here move and copy option is there, sir.
There is no copy option here. There is only the move.
Okay.
You can copy your object with the help of translation and repeat,
Okay.
right? Here we have only the
Right.
move and mirror and
Good.
rotate.
Okay.
So for the move, you can select this member. This is your member, right? And go to the
Right.
geometry and select your move. And move what? Member, right? You can click here on the member. Now, where you want to move, we have the coordinates, right? The current position of this beam is 6, 6 of the node number 41 and 10, 4 for the node number 42, right? Okay. Now I am going to move this beam on the 4, 2, right? Right? Or a 5, 2. I am moving the 5, 2. So you can give the x-axis as a 5 and y-axis as 2. So where you want to expect it that this beam is fixed, which position? Can anyone explain this? This is your
On the
current.
grid, sir.
Sorry,
What was your question?
my question is, this is your beam which you want to move, right?
Yeah.
And I want to move this on the x-axis 5 and y-axis
Yeah.
2.
Okay.
So what was the desired position we are expecting by moving on this points?
So on the grid, it is 5, 2. Like beneath,
Here,
downwards, it will move.
here.
Below the note 5.
Yeah.
You are expecting
Below
here,
note 5.
right?
Yeah.
You are
Yeah.
expecting here. But okay. First I am
Around
going to.
6.
Okay, no problem. Just I
Yeah.
clicking the OK. So do you want to perform the duplicate beam check? क्या आपको duplicate beam check चाहिए? Yes कर दो. Move operation has produced the duplicate member. Please check and remove the duplicate member. Okay. So we have 5 and 55 and 6 and 49 the duplicate members, right? If any of
Okay.
the node of the interactive being moved fall on the existing member. अब ये कह रहा है कि जो आपने डाला है वो एक existing member पे move हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो इसको कर दो, डू यू वांट दोस मेंबर्स टू बी स्प्लिट एट द दोस नोट्स, आप नो कर दो। तो ये आपका देखो यहाँ आ गया,
Yeah.
you are expecting somewhere here,
Yeah.
but this is moved to the another position. Why? Because where the current
X
position
comma.
is there, no, where the current position, we are assuming that only this is the origin. If you are
Okay.
this is the node number 41, assume that this is your 00, it is moving on the 5 from this node on the x-axis, 1 2 3 4, and the moving outside for the 5 1, that's why this is outside your grid, right? And in the y,
And this is the
y
zero,
means
zero, zero, X.
from upward from the 2 here, so we are moving from here, this point, right? Understood or not?
Yes.
Can you
Not?
repeat it once again?
Okay, I am going to delete all the pins here. Now you can understand after that. Okay, I deleted. I delete this also. Now you can create a one view, right? From 2 comma 2 to 4 comma 4, right? So go to the geometry and move, activate your movement, right? So what coordinate you are want to specify here? Just tell me. Anyone tell? Anyone tell?
6 comma 4.
What was the question?
Sorry, Maxman? Maxman? You are saying something?
I'm asking what was the question?
Okay, my question is,
I didn't get the question. What was the question?
okay, my question
Yes?
is, what was the coordinate where you want to move? I am putting the question on you, giving the option. So Sabha want x on x-axis, sorry, 6 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis, right, Maxime?
Okay, just
So
take
okay,
5 8.
so you want to move the 6 meter distance on x-axis and 4 meter distance on y-axis. Okay, so you count from the node number 1, 6 on x-axis, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will move on the node number 8 distance on the x-axis and 4, 1 2 3 4. So this beam is moved on this particular node 8. So where this moved 8 comma 6. Sabha,
Yes, sir.
where is the move?
I couldn't hear you. There is network issue.
Okay, now so this is your desired position 2 comma 2, right, of the node number 1.
Yeah.
So you want to move it on the 6 comma 4.
Yeah.
So it will count 4 on the x-axis, sorry, 6 on the
Okay.
6 on the x-axis. So it will count on the 8,
Okay.
right? and 4 on the
Yeah.
y upward direction. So it will go to the
Okay.
8,6.
Okay.
The node number 1 is moved to the 8,6 after clicking OK. See, this is moved to the 8,6. The starting node. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you understand the move command? Understand or not?
When we
Sorry, Vibhuti, tell me again.
use this type of command,
Where we use. If you want to move any member on a specific distance, x-axis or a y-axis, you can move. Okay.
Okay. The place it will
Sorry?
take it as origin. The
Yes.
like
Present position
it
is taken as the origin.
origin.
Now
Okay,
the
got
first
it.
node. It moving from the first node. So you can expect that this node number 1 is the origin. You can count, if you count from the node number 2, this is the same position also. Okay. You count
Base
from,
point is 1. Node 1.
no, you can take as the node point, base point as 2 also. You can count 1, 2, 3, count 6. It will move to the 10 on x-axis after counting the 6.
Yeah, yeah.
And 2 from the on y-axis from this, so the 10 comma 6 is the point for the 2. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can count,
Yes.
you can take any node as a reference point. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Because this member is connected with 2 points now, so both are moving simultaneously. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So the next command is the run structure wizard. Okay. The run structure wizard, you remember the third method of creating geometry. Yes or no?
Hello.
Yes.
Your screen.
Screen is not visible.
Okay. I shared once. You just wait for a moment. The screen is shared in a few moments because I shared from here. What was the third method of creating geometry? Remember? On our first day, I told you what was the first 3 methods of creating geometry, right? First one is snap grid method. Yes.
Yeah.
Or second one is coordinate method. And the third one is?
run wizard.
Yes, very good, Vibhuti. Run structure wizard, right?
Yes.
You can click on the run structure wizard. So this is your run structure wizard window, right? From here we have predefined structures. Here we have some predefined structures.
Yes.
This is your example of truss models. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So you can go for any one of your truss model from here. I am selecting this Warren truss, right? or you can double click here, and this is your parameters.
Okay.
So we are defining here the length, height, and the width of this truss, right? So you can change. So tell me, what are your length assuming?
Around 200.
200. Okay, you just specify 200, right?
Yeah.
And what was the height?
150.
150 height.
20 meter.
80.
20.
20.
Okay, you can go to the 20. This is the truss, madam, not your building.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
So give the width. What was the width?
With
Yeah.
What? How much? You can select width is 20 also, right? Similar.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is the number of base along the length. Means the length is divided into how many parts?
4.
4. So the 4 is fixed, or you want to enter the any other number?
5, 5, 6,
Okay. You can give
6, sir.
5. Okay. You can give 6. Now this 200 length is divided into 6 equal parts, like this. 33.33.
Okay.
Okay.
Now if you want to change the distance, different length, if
Yeah.
you give here as a 40, give here as 40 distance. You can delete this and specify as 40, right?
Okay.
And the next, what was you want to? 30. Give distance as 30, right?
Okay.
And if you want to equal, then you can click OK for the
Okay.
equal parts. Now if you
35. 35.
yes, 35. The next one,
28.
28. Okay. And the next one, how much?
32.
32. So please add how many, how much distances we considered up to here. 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 35, 105. 105 plus 28, 133, right?
Yeah.
And plus 32,
165.
165. How much remaining?
35.
Akka?
35, yes.
Okay. So the total number is
200.
200. So you can't leave less, or you can't add more.
More.
You have to the exact number between by adding this base length,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
You can click on OK, right?
Yeah.
Now this is the width. The width is divided into how many parts? 2 on 10 meter.
Yeah.
So you can give the 2 as the 10 meter, right? Both are. And click on apply. So see, this is your length,
Yes, sir.
which is divided into 6 equal parts. Count. And distance you assigned here, right?
Yes.
And this is your width, this
Yeah.
width, which is divided into 2 equal parts, 10 or 10. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
The height is not divided into any part, because there is no option to divide the height for this
Yeah.
truss. You can click on the cross and yes and okay. So this is inserted into your STAD model.
Okay.
So this is your particular truss.
This method is using only for truss only, sir.
No. This is a truss is the first example. That's why I select the truss. We have
Okay.
different options also. You can go to the run structure wizard. So this is the truss model. You can change the model type here.
Okay.
You have to select the frame model for your building frame model. So this is your particular building for your building. This is your length of your building, right?
Okay.
Yes.
And this is your height of your building, and this is your width of your building.
Okay.
So you want to change, or you can go this value only. Go with your this value. You can go with these values, right?
Yes.
And this is your number of base. The length is divided into 4 equal parts. Height is divided into 5 equal parts, and width is divided into 4. So how much the one segment length?
3 meter.
Yes. What is the height?
3 meter.
And width also a 3 meter,
3
right?
meter. Yes.
Click on apply. So see, this is your desired structure.
Hello.
Yes, dear.
Hello, sir. If it is structure is irregular shape, means plan is irregular.
Okay.
So this method is applicable.
Plan is irregular, but
Irregular shape.
okay. Just wait. But the beams and columns is your same shape, on a straight line, right?
Yeah. These
Okay.
are the straight line. Only plans is difference. Some lines are inclined and that the corners are not visible.
Okay. So on that occasion, you can't use the run structure wizard.
Okay.
You have to go with your Snapgrid node or a coordinate method for creating your geometry.
Okay.
I think in this case, coordinate method is better
Yeah.
for creating geometry, right or wrong?
Yes.
Right.
So we have cylindrical shape also, right?
Okay.
Next is to the surface and the plate model. This is your plate models.
Okay.
Plate, here we called a plate for slab, where we have the concrete reinforcement walls and the slab, right?
Yeah.
So here we called as the plate model for that, right?
Okay.
And again we have the solid models also, and we have the import CAD model also.
Okay.
So you can insert AutoCAD file into the StatPro also.
Okay. AutoCAD models in that any scale is different, is that, sir?
Scale, yes, scale is different.
If here we that drawings copied from AutoCAD from here, sir,
Yes.
we have made changes on here.
Yes, you can make changes because in the AutoCAD you have to create 2 lines for your wall.
Yeah. Here 3
But
dimension.
yes, now we have here we have the only the single line diagram.
Yeah.
Or if you apply the beam property means size of
Okay.
beam.
Oh yeah.
So this will consider on the center to center.
Okay.
On that occasion, you have to convert your AutoCAD plan into the single line diagram with
Okay.
us. You can create with center of walls,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Right, sir.
So after that you can insert it,
Okay.
but you make sure the unit is same.
Meter.
Yes, meter or feet, those you
Okay.
what you want. But any big problem is there. Ask what? While you insert your CAD model into the StatPro, there is a one big problem.
That
Ask
is
what?
Scale.
No, not talking about the scale. This is the second problem. First is very major problem. If you don't know, then
Limit.
ask.
Limit.
No limit.
Can't be edited.
No, you can edit it also. Just brainstorm for this problem.
We have to make changes on AutoCAD only files. That file. AutoCAD file.
No. You can insert the lines is converted into only into the beams and node automatically after inserting the CAD model.
Yeah.
There is no problem. See, on the AutoCAD, you have you make your plan on the XY plane,
Yeah.
which is the top plane in the AutoCAD.
Yeah.
We have, you can remember in AutoCAD the Z direction is up.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
The Z axis is vertical,
Vertical.
and X and Y axes are the horizontal axes.
Yes, sir.
But here the X and Z axes are horizontal and Y axis is your vertical.
Yeah.
You can make a plan on your XY plane in the AutoCAD. If you insert here, it comes on your XY plane as well. But this is a XY plane, here is your front view. Yes or no?
Yes.
You can't make plan on your front view, right?
Yes.
So this is the big problem.
What is the solution?
What is the solution? Solution I told you when I show you how to insert the CAD model. Okay.
Okay.
Right now I am not told you the solution. Okay.
Okay.
And please note it. If I forget, you can ask. Right.
Okay.
But you can insert the CAD model on in rare case. So it is not your easy step to create the plan in your AutoCAD and directly you can insert here. But after inserting, you have a problem while applying the load, right? Because in loading is automatically considering as a y-axis in a vertical direction, right?
Yes.
You have a problem while designing also. So that's why you can ignore import CAD model. Okay. We have several problems while inserting the CAD model. Right or wrong, dear?
Right, sir.
Okay. So you can understand about the run instruction wizard. You can how to insert this model into the StatPro. You can go to the click here and would you like to transfer or merge into the prototype into the StatPro? You can click yes. And this is your node where this going to insert it. Click on OK. Yes. So this CAD your structure is inserted into the StatPro model. Right?
Yes. Sir, so can we design foundation here in StatPro?
Yeah. We have a separate software for the foundation. This is your Stat foundation.
Okay.
Okay. So we are moving in the sorry. To the edit option and choose which plane, XZ plane. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And click on. So the grid is appropriate for this plan. How much? 9 something. You can see here again. So we have 3 in the x direction, right?
Yes.
And this is the 4 meter in the z direction. So we have to make change in the x-axis and go to the x-axis as 1.5 meter. Specified distance as 1.5 meter, and 2, 3, and 5. So you can consider as 5, right? And in the x-axis, oh sorry, z-axis, you can specify 2, like this. To activate your snap grid method, and click here. This is the first node is created on the 0, 0, and second one is on 3, and the third one is on 4.5, and second one is 7.5. Here you can specify like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
And now you can draw here like this. You can like this. So your plan is complete.
Yes.
How much floor you want?
3.
3.
Yeah.
You can translate it in the y direction up to the 3. And what is the height between your
2
floors?
meter.
What? 2.
3. 3.
Okay. 3 meter.
Good.
And click on the link step. Right? And okay. So this is your plan.
Yeah.
And now this is your column position which are going to create a foundation.
Yeah.
That's why you can select these beams and click on delete button.
Okay.
So this is your desired structure.